this video, I'm going to introduce you a new tool, that is Shoviv Exchange Server tool. Provides a complete recovery of your EDB, OST and PST files of your Exchange server. In addition to the recovery, it provides import and export options from Live Exchange and Office 365. So you can recover your EDB files or PST or OST, then you can export into a Live Exchange, or you can export into an Office 365, or you can import it from an Office 365 and Live Exchange mailbox, and you can convert them into PST or OST files. So these are the tasks that an Exchange server or an Office 365 administrator do day to day as a part of their work. So Shoviv Exchange Server Suite can make your life easier with all these functions in one tool. And in addition to that, it also provides an advanced option of incremental export or a backup to a PST file. So we have a free demo version available. Let us download and try. Now the download has completed and I'm going to install it in my Windows 10 PC. I have an Outlook already configured in this PC. The installation is a straightforward step. You only need to complete the wizard, and that completes the installation of Shoviv Exchange Server Suite. Once you complete the installation, click on the Finish button and launch Shoviv Exchange Server Suite. Let us close this pop-up window, and you can see in the source list we have a lot of options. So you can add a EDB file or a OST or PST, which means a corrupted OST or PST, or you can add Office 365 mailbox, or you can add Exchange server mailboxes, or you can add your Outlook profiles, which means you installed in a PC and there is an Outlook profile that you can add. For a quick demo, I'm going to add a EDB file, that is the database of an Exchange server. Then I click on the Finish button. Now you can see under the EDB file, I have all the user mailboxes in that EDB file, and I can see the contacts, inbox, sent items. Everything is listed, and now I can easily convert this into a PST or a message. And to do that, click on the individual item. Then you can see you can export it as a PST, or you can save the item as a message or HTML. So this is how you can recover individual item, which means you have a granular option, or you can export this to an Office 365 mailbox or an Outlook PST file or an Exchange mailbox account, and that means an Exchange Live Exchange account. So this will help you when you have a recovery situation with an Exchange server and you want to move your mailboxes from a corrupted EDB file to an Live Exchange server or an Office 365. This will help you. And importing a PST, you have two options. Either you can import a corrupted OST or PST and you can recover it, or if you want to import a healthy PST and you want to move some mails to Exchange or Office 365, you can do that also. Now I imported a PST into OST PST file recovery option, and you can see that it lists quickly all the mail items here, and I can convert this into messages, or I can export this into an Exchange server or an Office 365. So a Shoviv Exchange Server Suite provide you inaccessible corrupted data from different sources like EDB, PST or OXT. You can export those data into the same kind of format, or you can export into Live Exchange and Office 365 or Outlook profiles. So this can be considered as a tool to recover corrupted data, and also you can use this tool as a migration tool to move your users to Live Exchange server and Office 365. Before I sign off, I would like to add my final comment that Shoviv Exchange Server Suite support all versions of Outlook, Windows operating system and Exchange server, as you can see in the screen. That is all. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, subscribe.